From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is the morning news blast for September 12th, 2025. LGBTQ Nation is reporting a city judge ruled on Monday that the Muslim-majority city of Hamtramck, Michigan, didn't violate the Constitution when it voted in June 2023 to ban pride flags on public flagpoles. U.S. District Judge David Lawson dismissed a lawsuit that accused the city of violating free speech by banning the flags. The lawsuit argued that the city council's policy didn't maintain neutrality because it allowed certain flags, like the U.S. and state flags, prisoner of war flags, and flags that represent the international character of residents, while banning other types of flags like political, religious, and racial flags. Hamtramck's refusal to display the gay pride flag did not violate the Constitution, Judge Lawson wrote in his decision, according to Watermark Online. But even though the policy banned all other kinds of flags, the ban was put in place solely due to opposition to the pride flag. The entire Hamtramck City Council is Muslim, as are about 50% of city residents. Council members argued that while LGBTQ plus people are welcome in the city, flying the pride flag would disrespect the religious freedom of others. What about the religious freedom of the people flying the pride flags? What about them? No answer, Judge? We want to respect the religious rights of our citizens, said Councilman Naeem Chowdhury during the June 2023 debate over the policy. LGBTQ plus people are welcome, not affirmed, just welcomed. But why do you have to have the flag shown on government property to be represented? You are already represented. By whom? We already know who you are. You do? You're part of us? Really? By making this about bigotry, it's making it like you want to hate us. No. Making this about whose flags can be flown and whose can't is, in fact, the bigotry itself. The lawsuit was filed on behalf of Russ Gordon and Kathy Stackpool, who were fired from the city's Human Relations Commission after they flew pride flags on public property in defiance of the council's new policy. Their suit claimed the law banning the pride flag violated the Equal Protection Clause of the United States Constitution's 14th Amendment. The suit further argued that the plaintiffs didn't violate the policy because an unconstitutional resolution is itself a violation of law, and a citizen who violates an unconstitutional and therefore unlawful resolution cannot be violating the law. Rather, the lawsuit alleged that the council members who voted in favor of the policy violated the law by instating the unconstitutional policy. Now, Hamtramck Mayor Amir Ghalib told the Detroit Free Press that the lawsuit is an unnecessary distraction by the former power structure that doesn't like to see the city moving forward. It's Hamtramck, Michigan. It's not going anywhere. It never has in all the years that I've known it. You know what? The neutrality resolution is legal and constitutional, Ghalib said. The city doesn't discriminate. Not sure whether they do or don't, but we also don't know whether they give any preferential treatment to any group. The taxpayer government buildings or spaces belong to everyone and cannot be used by a specific group to promote the special interest group's agenda. The city isn't being selective on which flag it can fly, like it was the case with Shirtleff v. Boston, in which the Supreme Court ruled against the city's selective enforcement. This is different. The city decided to keep government properties neutral, and no group would be allowed to fly any kind of flags other than what's specified in the resolution. Well, folks, that's News Blast for this hour. Let us know what you think. You know where the comments are, and if you're watching our videos on YouTube, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. PEP Radio is now available on the Live 365 app, the PEP Radio page at paequality.com, Roku, and Alexa. Up next, we have the Meadville area weather forecast here on PEP Radio.